welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it. In this video, I will touch on how it can be a confirmation sign depending on the situation. I'm sure most of you have experienced getting spiritual chills when pondering on an important decision or seeing or even hearing someone speak about something. If you Google spiritual chills, it being a sign of a confirmation from non-physical beings or your soul is the main result out there that will come up, even though that is only the tip of the iceberg of what you can experience with this occurrence. Here's the reason why you might be getting spiritual chills as a sign of confirmation. Let's say you hear someone speak about a subject and you get spiritual chills. This means that it speaks to you. It is so well articulated that you understand it loud and clear. And if something speaks to you, it has a special meaning or importance to you. For example, you hear about the war and someone says that it is inhumane in 2022, after all this time of peace, for a world leader to purposely want to risk people's lives because there are no excuses worthy enough to kill people who were living their life in peace. And if that would have given you chills, that would mean that you completely agree with the discourse and or that it came close to home, your values and beliefs. This is one way you can get a confirmation from someone hitting the target on where your true self and all of its values reside. Another way would be you asking yourself or someone a question and analyzing, let's say, the two options. One of those answers would activate your intuition by giving you chills to let you know directly the answer to your question. For example, you ask yourself, should you go buy some food and some new shoes to the homeless guy you see around your neighborhood, looking in the garbage all the time and walking with one shoe? So you then reflect on that, but you realize that you're so low on money and probably won't eat this week if you do so. Because of that, you almost lean on not doing that act of goodwill. Then you ponder even more on it and start to think that 1 week of eating leftovers at your home or even canned foods won't kill you. And that for the homeless person, this is what happens all year round. After that, your spiritual chills activate from reflecting on the latter part. This reaction is from your intuition letting you know the answer, because at the end of the day, the spiritual part of yourself that is egoless has values and principles that all revolve around what you truly care for, the good of others, and more to help you in situations where you are in extreme need of guidance. Before ending this video, I want to say that you could also have the same reaction from asking someone a direct question. But what's important is that you realize that this reaction comes from your own spirit being moved to the point of activating your spiritual energy. You can observe this happening when you hear lyrics from a song that gives you chills or watch a movie scene that also do the same. This reaction does not come from a non-physical being answering your question, and it is not recommended to ask questions to anyone else except to God, as there are beings out there who, if you open yourself up to them, won't have pure intentions in the long run. Remember that angels have no problems of manifesting themselves in front of you when they have a message for you. Your spirit has immense knowledge and enough awareness of your true values to activate your spiritual chills as a way to speak to you when you are in need of guidance or to let you know when it has been moved. Thank you for watching this video and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.